Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Nadia Rajput from Desi TV USA. Let's have a look at the headlines. National Guard troops appear in Washington, D.C. as mayor rejects authoritarian push. Trump's Golden Dome defense plan includes space missiles, lasers. Macron admits France waged a repressive war in Cameroon. Let's look into details. U.S. National Guard troops have begun appearing on the streets of Washington, D.C. a day after President Donald Trump deployed the troops to the city and took control of its police force as he argued violent crimes as out of control. Armored vehicles were spotted at urban centers and tourist sites around the U.S. Capitol on Tuesday evening. Officials have said that 800 National Guard troops are expected to be deployed, as well as 500 federal law enforcement agents. Washington, D.C. Mayor Muriel Bowser, a Democrat who has denied crime is out of control in her city, described the troop deployment as an authoritarian push. The administration of United States President Donald Trump has circulated plans for its $175 billion Golden Dome missile defense system, revealing a possible new details of the project's plans to shoot down missiles in space. According to a series of slides titled Go Fast, Think Big, presented to some 3,000 defense contractors in Huntsville, Alabama last week, plans for the Golden Dome include 3 layers of missile interceptors, radar arrays, and lasers in addition to its space-based defenses. While the presentation highlighted that the U.S. has built both interceptors and re-entry vehicles for space-based missile interception, before the plans also acknowledged that the U.S. has never built a vehicle that can handle the heat of re-entry while targeting an enemy missile. France waged a war in Cameroon marked by repressive violence during and after the African country's decolonization in the late 1950s. President Macron acknowledged in a letter published Tuesday. The letter sent to his Cameroonian counterpart last month is the latest example of France's effort under Macron to come to terms with its often bloody colonial history. The admission follows an official report published in January, which said that France implemented mass forced displacements, pushed hundreds of thousands of Cameroonians into internment camps, and supported brutal militants to quash the Central African country's push for sovereignty. That's all for now. Keep watching Desi TV USA. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And don't forget to watch our channels Desi Urdu TV and DTV NN.
Neurological care is a pressing healthcare challenge in Pakistan. That's why Helping Hand USA is building Kind R, a world-class hospital with 130-plus clinics that is set to establish new standards for neurological care in Pakistan. As the first phase nears completion, anticipation is growing for the launch in the second half of 2025. Give zakat and sadaqah through Helping Hand USA today and join this historic endeavor to redefine future healthcare in Pakistan.